Welcome to Linux Help, how to create system recordings on AI SmartCaller. Creating system recordings is one of the key features of AI SmartCaller. Users have the ability to create recordings, or download MP3 files, and upload them as needed. In this session, we will review the step-by-step process for creating system recordings. Now we are going to see how to create system recordings on AI SmartCaller. First, log in the AI SmartCaller. After recorded the voices, we can use it in announcements and IVR and more. Click on System Recordings. Here we have Record option and Upload option. First, go for Record option. Click on Record. Now speak. After that, stop and name it. And click Save. The system recordings created successfully. Now go for Upload section. Click on Select Audio to select audio from the local. Here I already have MP3 file. Name is your choice. After enter the name, click on Upload. Now it was uploaded successfully. Now we are going to see how to use this audio in any features. Yes, here we have option, select an audio, click that and upload the required file. That's all. Now the system recordings created in AI SmartCaller. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.